once winter hits, hot chocolate is one of our favorite school time snacks. So today, Matthew and I are going to make my hot cocoa mix. This is the same mix that you may have seen over on my blog. It goes together really quickly. It is modified from an Alton Brown recipe, and it's going to taste so much better than those packets that you buy at the grocery store. We need 2 cups of powdered sugar.
2 cups. So
2
that
cups.
would be 40s.
That's correct. Oh, wait.
Smart.
Whenever I'm doing something like this, I like to have a tray underneath this so that if we have a spill.
I'm just going to loose this again.
Yep. That's good. And then we're going to do 1 cup of cocoa. I splurged this time and bought some Dutch process from Pinsy's. Go ahead, Matthew. We need 1 cup. Usually, though, I just buy like whatever you find at the grocery store. I'm not even sure. Hershey's or whatever. I've just read that it makes such a difference if you have. You know, why don't you use? Here, use this. That's an 1/8 of a tablespoon. An 1/8 cup.
8 cups.
So how many will you need?
8.
Yes. I've just read that it makes a big difference. So I decided to splurge this time. And then we need 2.5 cups of milk, of powdered milk. And I really like this one. You find it in the Hispanic food aisle. Walmart usually carries it, and then other grocery stores will too. But it's a fuller fat milk, and it makes a big difference.
Sorry, guys. Okay, nobody can hold this.
We don't have enough hands. Okay.
We need 6 hands, not 4 hands.
Okay, so that will use up most of your canister. This recipe, we're doing a double batch today. So we need a teaspoon of salt.
Salt would be
In this one.
1 teaspoon.
And then in that one, the cornstarch just helps it not to cake together.
Yeah.
And so we need 2 teaspoons of it. Now, shake the jar.
Okay.
Flip it upside down.
Okay. Let me get over here. So I can just...
Yep, there you go. Since this is the first hot chocolate of the season, I'm going to give them different topping options. Usually I just pull out one thing, and honestly it's usually the marshmallows. I know these things are like terrible, but they just remind me of my childhood so much. So we have that, and then there's peppermint syrup, Andy's mints, white chocolate wafers, and chocolate chips. And then we use water out of the Keurig, but then I always finish it off with a splash of half and half for a little bit of added creaminess. These are the white chocolate wafers. These were actually cheaper than buying the bigger bars at our store. So I'm going to put a couple of those in. I already have the mix. And then Elizabeth wants some of the Andy's mints. The cat's stalking me for some attention. That's where I sit and hang out. We don't eat at these, but that's where I do my computer stuff and whatever. Anyway, Ben wants marshmallows and peppermint syrup. He's up next. Okay, and then let's put a little splash of milk.
And
Half and
then,
half.
and then do I have to put some marshmallows?
Yes. Enjoy.